All right, so now I want to show you guys some really cool stuff that you can do when you combine the free Widget Options plugin alongside our Widget Areas for LearnDash plugin. So the Widget Areas for LearnDash gives you the 6 different widget areas that you can add widgets to, and what Widget Options does, they have a free and a pro version, but all you need is the free version, and it gives you a lot of additional cool features where you can show or hide things on different devices if you want, as well as add individual messages or widgets to specific course pages or even specific lesson, topic, or quiz pages. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here's the Widget Options plugin that you'll need installed. As you can see here, it has over 100,000 activations, a 5-star rating with over 1,200 ratings. So it's obviously a very popular plugin, and I've used it on a lot of different sites, and it's awesome. So let's dive in, and I want to show you how to use it. Alright, so here I am in the WordPress customizer, and I'm viewing one of my existing courses, the Basic LearnDash Overview course. And I'm going to come over here to Widgets, and I'm going to find the Course Content Start widget area. That's going to place something right here at the top of our course page. And I'm going to add a simple text widget. And I'm just going to say, message for Basic LearnDash course. And as you can see right away, that does show up here in our widget area. So here's where the Widget Options plugin comes into play. If you scroll down a little bit below the widget, you'll see all these different small tabs with icons and then a bunch of options below that. So for this specific widget that we've added to this widget area, we can show and hide it on different pages. So you choose the option of either hiding it or showing it, and then you can choose different miscellaneous pages, post types, or even taxonomies. You can also come over here to the Device tab and again show or hide it on the checked devices, and then you check whichever device is below here that you want to either show it or hide it on. This next tab is for alignment. I haven't used this all that much. I don't think you'll have a huge need for it either. But the next one here is for logged in versus logged out users. So you can show different messages for that. Now keep in mind this is going to be generally logged in or logged out. It's not the same as whether they've enrolled in that specific course or not. So this is more just WordPress login specific and not necessarily course specific. So just be aware of that. And then this last option, this is really cool here if we use this logic tab. So what this logic tab allows us to do is use WordPress conditional tags, which are kind of like little mini PHP snippets that check a whole bunch of different conditions within WordPress. So one of the most common uses, especially for the widget area that shows up on a course page, is you may want to show one message for one course, a different message for a different course, put other widgets in yet another course, and really customize things on a course-by-course basis. So we can do that if we use the following code. So one of the WordPress conditional tags that'll be really helpful here is the isSingle tag. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here. So once I insert that here into the logic box, I'm saying isSingle, and then the 7 is the ID. So that's the actual ID of this course, the Basic LearnDash Overview course. So what that means is this widget is only going to appear on this specific course. If we navigate to a different one, it will not show up. So by the same account, if what I want to do is actually add another widget, and I'm going to add another text widget below that one, and this one I'm going to say message for video course. And I'm going to come down here to the settings and logic. And this time I'm going to say only for the one that has the ID of 71. So you'll notice that this message for the video course does not show up here for the LearnDash Overview course because the LearnDash Overview course is ID of 7 and our video course is 71. So if I come over to our video course in the preview now, creating a video course in 5 minutes, you'll see at the top of this page there's just the message for the video course. So that's how you can use the Widget Options plugin to really dial in on a individual course-by-course basis, and this also works for lessons, topics, and quizzes. So all you need to do is find the ID of either the course, lesson, topic, or quiz, and then use this logic box to be able to insert that code. Really quickly, how to find the ID on a course, lesson, topic, or quiz. In LearnDash, when you go to either courses, lessons, topics, or quizzes, One way you can do it is when you hover over the title here, you should see a URL down in the bottom corner of your browser, and that will have post equals and then a number. So whatever that number is, that is the ID of that piece of content, whether it's a course, lesson, topic, or quiz. The other thing that makes it really, really easy is there's a plugin called Reveal IDs, and that just puts a separate column here all the way on the far right that just says ID, and it shows it right here in the table for you. So this is a really, really easy way to grab all of your IDs quickly, especially if you have a lot of courses or a lot of lessons and you're going to really use this plugin to show and hide a lot of different widgets in different places. This is a really great quick way to do that, and that plugin again is called Reveal IDs. So I hope you found this useful. You can do a lot of other really cool things in addition to the is single logic. If you click this link for WP Conditional Tags, that'll open up a documentation article on WordPress's site that shows tons of other conditional tags you can use. So you're not just limited to a specific course or group of courses or lessons or topics, but you can really check a whole bunch of different conditions and choose to either show or not show widgets based on those conditions. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you found it useful, and please let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments.